Hey everyone, this is Kayla with AllProWebTools, and today I'm going to show you all the things you can do with Google Calendar. First, I'm going to show you how you can send a task to your calendar. Second, I'm going to show you how you can schedule an appointment from the CRM with your calendar. And third, I'm going to show you how someone can schedule a time with you from your website to your calendar, and they can pick from different people in your company as if you were running like a hair salon. To begin, you're going to want to make sure that your Google Calendar is integrated with your AllProWebTools account and that you have the web tool. In order to do this, you're going to go to Settings and Web Tools. Here you're going to have to make sure that you have the Calendar Product web tool installed. So you're going to look down here and you're going to see that you have the Calendar Product right here. Since that's there, you can go to Settings and Integrations. And now you're going to connect your Google Calendar to AllProWebTools. So here, you just click Integrate with AllProWebTools. So all you have to do is follow the instructions. You can sign in with Google, and you click which Google account you want to connect it to. You have to click Allow, and then you will be clicking Allow again. And from here, you click this, and it will copy it for you. Then you go back and you paste it right here. Then you can press Connect. And now it's connected to your AllProWebTools account. Now that it's integrated with your company, you're going to need to connect each user's calendar. So here, you're going to go to Settings, and you can click on Users. And now you can see here the list of all the users that you have here in your AllProWebTools account. When you go up into your Google Calendar, you're going to want to make sure that you have a separate calendar for each of your users. Here, I have Janelle and I have Tiffany, and I have each of those calendars within my calendar. So now I'm going to go into Janelle's, and all these tabs right here, you're going to go and click on the Calendar tab. And you do just as what you did before. You're going to sign in with Google. You're going to click Allow and Allow again. It'll copy it, and you paste it right here. After you click Connect, it's going to ask you to set a default calendar. Now here, Janelle's default calendar is Janelle Calendar. So you click Change, and then you click Save. And you're going to do that with all the other employees that you have with each of their calendars. So you go back to Users, and now you see I connected Janelle's, and now I have to connect Tiffany's calendar. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to find Tiffany, I'm going to click on her profile. And just as I did with Janelle, I'm going to go over here in the tabs, and I'm going to click on the Calendar tab. I'm going to sign in with Google yet again. Click Allow. Click Allow the second time. Copy it. And then you're going to paste the code. Then you're going to select Tiffany's calendar here for her default. And then once that's done, you just click Save. So now that you set each user's default calendar, you're going to go back to your dashboard. And if you want to send a task to your calendar, you're going to go up here to the right, and you're going to click the plus button. This is Add New. You're going to create a new task. You can create a task for someone. I'm going to create a task for Tiffany. You need to add a priority, and then you add the due date. For her, I'm going to set it for the 18th at 5 p.m. And here, you can add whatever notes you need. And then you're going to go up here and you're going to click Save Task. So now that you've done that, you're going to go over here and you're going to find the task that you just created for Tiffany. And you're going to go over and click Edit. Now here in your advanced settings, you are going to be able to see this calendar right here. And click on this, and it says Schedule with Google Calendar. So you're going to schedule Tiffany's. You can add a description. And here it tells you the time. June 18th at 5 p.m. is when it's due. You're going to schedule it. And now that it tells you that it was scheduled successfully, you're going to go over into the calendar, and you can see right here that it was added into Tiffany's calendar. And so now she will be able to see when her task is due, and she will be able to do it. So that's how you send a task to your calendar. For the second one, when you want to schedule an appointment from the CRM with your calendar, we're going to go back to the dashboard. And let's say that we need Tiffany to schedule a follow-up appointment with Eli. We're going to click on his CRM, and it's going to take us to his profile. We're going to scroll down right here, and here for the follow-up time, you need to click right here, and we're going to say June 19th at 2 p.m. She has a follow-up appointment. We're going to click that calendar, and we're going to add Tiffany to the calendar. Here you can see it automatically brings up her Google Calendar schedule, and it tells you the available times that she's free. It tells you the title, and you can add anything you want in the description. It also tells you the time and the date, and you can set the length. You can also add a location if you want to. You can even invite the customer, and you can invite additional people that may be included in the follow-up appointment. You're going to click Schedule, and the follow-up was scheduled successfully. So when you go back into the calendar, you can see here that Tiffany's task is right here, and also the follow-up that we just scheduled with her is right here. So that's how you schedule an appointment from the CRM with your calendar. AllProWebTools also has an awesome way a person can schedule a time with you from your website to your calendar. And they can pick from different people in your company, as if you ran a hair salon, to schedule appointments with. But I'm not going to tell you about that now. You can simply click on the link in the description below to learn all about how you can set up products in your website that offers times for customers to schedule an appointment with one of your employees with the products that you offer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy helpful videos like this, make sure to hit that like button, that notification bell, and to keep updated on when we post more videos, subscribe. We love feedback, so drop a comment below and we will get back to you. Your support here at AllProWebTools means the world to us. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.